Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and the moose is loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do is go over the Cornucopia's Valley Raceworx T3 NFT. So I'm going to let you guys know how that sale went for me. So we're not only going to talk about the NFT, but I want to go through my wallet, kind of what happened. So some of you have already asked, at least in the Discord, what did I get? Did I mint at all? And I did mint. So that's what I want to do. If you do enjoy this video, I recommend that you like, comment, and subscribe. If you leave the comments, that's really going to help us out because I do read those. I comment back to all of you. So let's keep that going. I really want to provide as much value as possible. Let's dive right into it. So right now we're on JPEG Store, and this is the #1 Cardano marketplace. There's a lot going on with JPEG Store as of late, but when it comes to Cornucopias, they did their NFT sale. So I minted, and I got a couple of these bad boys. So let's take a look. Comment down below if you guys picked up any Raceworx NFTs. The floor has gone up a little bit since it was at its little low there. So it's 222, not bad. So we got the base model, that's the orange, 222 is the floor. And then this one, this is the uncommon, and that's at 260. So to make a long story short, I minted 3 of them. I got 2 uncommon and I got 1 common. So the common is the orange. Now, what I like to do personally, typically, is I like to mint as many as I can. We maxed out at 3. They probably would have sold out if they did 4 or 5. So what I like to do is try to mint for a mythic, try to get a rare if you can. Rare is like 18%, mythic and legendary. Mythic is 1%, legendary is like 8%, something like that. So it's worth trying to get those rare ones, and then you could flip them if you don't even want it. And at the end of the day, you could always sell these ones at floor or a little bit less. So it's a little bit of a gamble at times. So what I did, and I will go through my activity as well. I'm very transparent with you guys. So actually, here's a Ghost Chain NFT I'm trying to flip right now. I picked it up for 180, listing it at 288 plus fees, of course. I'm also flipping this guy. So I picked this one up for less than 900, and I'm trying to sell it for 1,000. So let's see that as well. So it looks like the floor is starting to move up. After this one sold, it'll be closer. So that's looking good. So with the Raceworx NFT, and it would be easier if I just go over here. I've got 2 right now. So I've got 2 commons, and I'm not sure if I'm going to hold on to these long term. I'm bullish in the short medium term because the game is coming out, the racing game. And I love Cornucopias. I got, I think 70,000 tokens overall. So I put a lot of my own money into it, and I'm keeping my domes. I'm going to be throwing moose parties. So if you guys are looking to throw a party with me, like, that's going to happen. So that's what's going to keep the drive alive, keep things going. So if you take a look here, let's go to the big screen. I've got 2 right here. One I picked up for a little too much. So what I did, let's take a look here. I bought one for 258 when the floor just came out. I listed one at 300. Then I decided to unlist it. I made offers on the rare, didn't get any. And let's see, I unlisted it at 200 here. So basically I'm holding 2. So again, I minted, I didn't get anything incredible, but I did get 2 of the uncommons, and I sold them. I wonder if it's even here. Yeah, sale. So I sold them for 245. And then I sold another one for something else. I think I sold it on a different wallet. So, I'm basically holding on to them, if you will. I haven't really made any ADA with it. But I am bullish because short term the game's coming out, and I'm holding 12 bubble jets. That is not a joke. Actually 13. So I've got one rare, which I'm always going to keep. These ones I'm going to rent out, probably. So, what else? What else is going on here? That's pretty much it. Like, nothing too crazy. I'm making some moves. I'm making some offers. I'm trying to flip this small rare. If I'm stuck with it, I don't care. It's a good asset. I've got this really cool Hunks NFT there. Ghost Chain, again, I'm trying to flip this guy. So I picked it up for the floor. And if you look at the greens, there was nothing selling for like under 290. So I picked one up under like about here. And then I'm like, hey, I'll just list it for the cheapest green one. So Moose could be right. Moose could be wrong. With that being said, guys, I'm bullish on cornucopias. And it's like my top 3 position right now. I'm very excited about Copi. I'm bullish on the metaverse gaming space. If you take a look at gaming in particular, it's bigger than sports and all these different streams combined. So you're talking bigger than the NFL, bigger than the NBA, bigger than MLB. It's huge, guys. This is a massive deal. With that being said, too, we do have rewards going on. So I did do a video on that. So right now I've got 15,000 XP. I don't know if I'm going to be able to claim because I'm not in Canada, USA. Guys, let me know what you think of VPN usage. Perhaps get around that. So comment down below. Did you guys pick up the Raceworx NFT? One thing I wanted to leave you guys with, if you do go to my link tree, I've got a free Cardano mini course. So check that out. It's also here on the channel. So subscribe, check out the videos. I'm uploading tons of content, as you can see. Pick yourself up a hardware wallet. Pick up the free NFT course. Pick up the free Cardano course. And with that being said, guys, the moose is loose. We'll see you all in the next one.